Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to Extreme Mystery Files. I'm Raven Witchwood, your red-headed supermodel host and alchemist of all things puzzling. Today, we're diving into an ancient riddle so bizarre, it's left even the greatest minds scratching their heads. Buckle up, because this one's gonna blow your mind. Okay, imagine it's the year 1939. You're flying over the Peruvian desert, and bam! You see these utterly humongous, jaw-dropping designs etched into the ground. A hummingbird, a monkey, a spider, and even what some say looks like an astronaut? Yup, you've just discovered the Nazca Lines, an enigma that has baffled scientists, historians, and, let's be honest, even conspiracy theorists for decades. First off, let's talk about the basics. What exactly are the Nazca Lines? These are immense geoglyphs, basically artworks etched into the Earth's surface. They cover an area of nearly 170 square miles and include over 800 straight lines, 300 geometric designs, and 70 animal and plant figures, also called biomorphs. What makes them truly mind-boggling? They're best viewed from the sky. How on earth did an ancient civilization more than 2,000 years ago make these without drones, helicopters, or, heck, Google Maps? The Nazca people are thought to be the masterminds behind this ancient mystery, working on these designs between 500 BCE and 500 CE. But here's where it gets juicy. Some researchers say the Nazca Lines could only have been created with aerial guidance. Gulp. Did someone say aliens? One leading theory is that these lines were made to honor the gods. It's believed the Nazca civilization thought their deities inhabited the sky. So these lines might just be massive offerings, visible to their celestial overseers. Though, let's pause for a sec. If these were offerings, why make them accurate and precise enough to be seen from the heavens? Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Other theories turn the mystery dial up to 11. Could it be an astronomical calendar? Some scholars have suggested the lines align with celestial events like solstices. Maybe the Nazca were early stargazers mapping the cosmos. But here's the twist. A significant number of the lines don't seem to correspond with astronomical data. So, dead end or evidence of something we're yet to understand? Alright, here's the spiciest take. What if the Nazca Lines are ancient runways for alien spacecraft? I know, it's the kind of idea that makes skeptics roll their eyes. But hey, ancient astronaut theorists have a point when they say some of these shapes, especially those long, straight lines, look eerily like modern airstrips. Plus that humanoid figure dubbed the astronaut? It's enough to spark a whole Netflix series. Okay, back to Earth for a second. What about practical uses? Some archaeologists argue these lines are connected to water rituals, since the Nazca lived in an arid region. The lines might trace underground aquifers, or led to water sources. It might not be as flashy as alien airstrips, but hey, survival's a solid purpose. Then there's the question nobody can answer definitively. How did they pull it off? The Nazca people used simple tools and measured with rope. But the accuracy? Top tier. Some folks suggest hot air balloons carved the path to sky-high viewpoints. Evidence of early balloons was even found near the site. Talk about ahead of their time. Before we wrap up, let's bust a myth. The Nazca Lines are not alien-made graffiti, at least not according to mainstream science. They were most likely crafted by an impressive culture with advanced knowledge of geometry and engineering, which still leaves us wondering why. And isn't that the best part of a mystery? It keeps us asking questions. What do you think? Are the Nazca Lines sacred tributes to the gods, prehistoric star maps, waterway guides, or extraterrestrial landing zones? Let me know in the comments. And while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending mysteries every week. See you in the next deep dive, fellow adventurers. Keep questioning the impossible. Raven Witchwood signing out. Stay curious.